students. In continuation of the chapter mass and weight, in this video I am going to give you some simple problems of finding mass or weight or gravitational force of different planets. Mass is constant at all over the place, but weight differs from place to place depending on the gravitational force. That concept we have to keep it in mind before solving this type of problems. Let's take one simple example. Find the weight of a man of mass 20 kg on Earth. For that we have the formula weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration gravity of Earth is g. It is given by g. Value is 9.81 meter per second square. Just multiply the mass of man with the gravitational force, that is weight equals 20 kg into 9.81 meter per second square. Multiply the numbers and take units to one side. It becomes kg meter per second square. By multiplying numbers we get 196.2 kg meter per second square. We can replace Newton to kg meter per second square. You know that 1 kg is equal to 9.81 Newton. Using that concept, we can replace kg meter per second square with Newton. Let's take one more example of this type. Find the weight of man of mass 20 kg on Earth and on Moon. We should find the weight of same man on Earth and again on Moon. You may observe here in the diagram, I have given the gravity of Moon, that is 1.62 meter per second square, and gravity of Earth is 9.81 meter per second square. Our acceleration due to gravity of Earth is 9.81 meter per second square, and acceleration of Moon is 1.62 meter per second square. To find the weight of man on Moon, we need the formula weight is equal to mass into gravity of Moon. As we know, mass of man is 20 kg and gravity of Moon is 1.62 meter per second square. Multiply the numbers, we get 32.4 kg meter per second square. We can replace kg meter per second square with Newton. So mass of man is 20 kg. Weight of man is 32.4 Newton on Moon. Let's take to find the weight of man on Earth. Weight of man on Earth is equal to mass into gravity of Earth. Mass is common, it doesn't change, that is 20 kg into 9.81 meter per second square is the acceleration due to gravity of Earth. Multiply the number, we get 169.2 kg meter per second square. Replace kg meter per second square with Newton, hence the weight of man on Earth becomes 169.2 Newton. You may observe the difference in Newton on Moon and Earth. 32.4 Newton is on Moon. For same man, 169.2 Newton on Earth. That means the weight changes from place to place but not the mass. Let's take one more example. In the example number 3, if a man weighs 16 Newton, 16 Newton is the weight of a man on Earth. What will be his weight on Mars? What will be his weight on Mars if its gravitational force, that is Mars gravitational force, is 3.711 meter per second square. Acceleration due to gravity of Mars is given 3.711 meter per second square. To find the mass of the man, we need the mass of the man. The weight given is 16 Newton. It may change from Earth to Mars, but if we find out the mass of the man, it will remain constant at any planet. So let's take how to find the mass of a man. Mass of man is equal to weight by gravity. So gravity of earth we have to take here because the weight of man is given on earth. So mass of man is equal to weight by gravity. Weight is 60 Newton, gravity is 9.81 meter per second square. Newton, as we know, is equivalent to kg meter per second square. Here meter per second square cancel with meter per second square. 60 divided by 9.81 we get 6.11 kg remains. So mass of man is 6.11 kg. This will remain same on Mars also. Using this mass we can find the weight of man on Mars. So let's take weight of man on Mars equals mass into gravity of Mars. So mass of man is 6.11 kg and gravity of Mars is given 3.711 meter per second square. Just multiply the numbers and take unit to one side. Kg meter per second square, it will become, multiplying number we get 22.67 kg meter per second square. We can replace kg meter per second square with Newton. Hence the weight of man on Mars is 22.67 Newton, but weight of man on Earth was, as per given problem, was 60 Newton. That means as the gravitational force or acceleration due to gravity decreases, the weight also decreases, but mass remains constant whatever the condition of acceleration due to gravity. So in this way we can solve the problems on mass and weight and gravitational force or acceleration due to gravity on different planets. You should keep in mind one thing, that mass remains constant all over the place, but the weight changes from place to place. So thank you. Thanks for watching.